Namaskar. I am Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you for our daily weather briefing program today, that is 4th November 2021. And I wish to all of you happy Deepavali. Let's start the presentation now. Heavy to very heavy rainfall was observed at isolated places over Tamil Nadu and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Kerala and coastal Andhra Pradesh during past 24 hours. And here some chief rainfall amount is also there. Tamil Nadu was experienced 13 centimeter maximum rainfall, Kerala 10 centimeter and coastal Andhra Pradesh 7 centimeter rainfall observed. Now, this is the today's synoptic pictures. The low pressure area now lies over southeast Arabian Sea, adjoining Lakshadweep area, and which is likely to move northwestward and well marked over east central Arabian Sea during next 48 hours. And from this low pressure area, a trough in lower levels is also extending up to east central Arabian Sea of Maharashtra coast. And one cyclonic circulation over west central Bay of Bengal and another cyclonic circulation over Haryana and neighborhood at lower levels. And intense cloud are shows over the southern tips of Tamil Nadu and CAP. Rest of southern peninsula experience moderate clouds. Now, due to the low pressure area and trough and another cyclonic circulation over Bay of Bengal, light to moderate rainfall at many places with isolated thunderstorm and lightning very likely over southern peninsula continue during next 5 days, and light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning at isolated places is likely over to South Maharashtra during next 5 days. Due to this heavy rainfall at isolated places very likely over Kerala and Tamil Nadu during next 5 days, coastal Andhra Pradesh during next 4 days, South Interior Karnataka and South Konkan Goa during next 2 days, and over Rayalaseema on 6th and 7th November 2021. Including this very heavy rainfall also likely at isolated places over Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. Except this, mainly dry weather is likely to happen over the country during next 4-5 days. And due to the winter, solid to moderate fog likely to occur mainly in the morning hours over Delhi NCR till 6th November and reduce thereafter due to the strengthening of lower level winds over the region from 6th November afternoon. Now, in the graphic form, we can see the weather warning during next 5 days. As I told, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. Orange color shows that warning. And the over rest of 4 days, Tamil Nadu will experience heavy rainfall at isolated places. And over Kerala during next 5 days is likely to experience heavy rainfall at isolated places and include this entire southern peninsula and adjoining Maharashtra coast. Maharashtra is likely to experience thunderstorm lightning during next 5 days, as I earlier told. Including this, Southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Lakshadweep area of Kerala, Karnataka coast or Maharashtra coast likely to experience squally weather, wind speed 40 to 50 during next 3-4 days. So fishermen are advised not venture to in this region over the forecast period. And remaining this entire country will likely to dry over the most parts and no weather warning for the other regions. Now you can follow our website mausam.imd.gov.in. Including this, you can follow us many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and blog. Including these, for latest update and warning, you can use your mobile by the our app as Mausam app, Damni app, Meghdoot app, and once again, happy Deepavali to all of you, and thank you.